What's up, beautiful souls? Welcome back to my channel. I am Queen, and here at Queen Budgets, we are tackling all things financial, from cash envelopes, sinking funds, budget by paycheck, zero-based budget, meal plans, grocery hauls, what debt payoffs, and whatever else comes my way. So if that sounds like something that would interest you, I invite you to hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification, and also give this video a huge thumbs up because it really helps the channel out. I'm bringing you guys my 2022 financial goals for the entire year. I love oracle cards, so I wanted to pull a oracle for you guys and give you some self-care, because self-care is the best care, right? Okay, it's because I've gotten so many new subscribers lately, and I just want to say, hey girl, okay, I am really happy that you decided to click on my channel, subscribe to my channel, comment, and giving me so much encouraging words. But you guys encouraged me so much to continue going on my journey, and I know that there's nowhere but up from here. Spirit saying 2 cards. So the first one is Nourish Your Temple. Nourish Your Temple. I'm sorry if I'm looking over here because that's where my viewfinder is. But yes, so be mindful this week of the things that you are putting in your body, and make sure you are drinking a lot of water, eating a lot of fruits and vegetables, staying away from those processed foods. This card is really testing us to nourish our temples. Nourish your temples, guys. Yeah, I like that. I've been doing that, so that's really good. Let's do one more. Let's do one more. Oh my gosh. Spend time with friends. Even though we're going through the pandemic and you can't really hang out with your friends like you want to and go out or even go over their houses because everyone is so afraid about COVID. But Spirit is testing us to find a way to be able to connect with friends. You don't always have to connect with a person physically right in front of their face to connect with them. We're connecting right now. So yes, let's jump into my goals for 2022. Look, I'm happy. You know what I'm saying? I'm finally taking a hold of my finances. We had some technical difficulties with my viewfinder, but I'm back. I really can't see myself, but I hope you guys can see me. So let's just jump into these goals before my camera decides that it wants to cut off on me, because I ain't got time for that. So 2022 financial goals. This year's theme for me is resilience. Like resilience. Like if it could be a picture of somebody in a dictionary next to a definition of a word, my picture will be next to resilient. First goal is to increase my overall income. And the way I plan on increasing my overall income, I am a single mother and I do not work a 9-to-5, but I'm actually looking for part-time employment or even full-time employment. I have kind of a daycare situation with my youngest child, but we're going to iron that out this year, okay? Number 2, I'm going to obtain a LLC for my business. And the way that I plan to do that, like my sub goal for that, is to continue to stuff my sinking fund, my business sinking fund, so that I can have the fees that it costs in my state to obtain the LLC. 3, I'm going to hire my children in my home-based business so that I can get my money back at tax time that I'm already spending on my kids. So if you're not familiar with getting your money back, check out Lynn Richardson here on YouTube. She is phenomenal at teaching and telling you her story. And start a home-based business, hire your kids, and get your money back. So Lynn Richardson. 4, I want to pay off my credit card debt. So I want to pay off Kohl's, Victoria's Secret, and Ulta. And these are very low balances on these cards because I've been diligently paying them off. So I'm sure they will be paid off. As a matter of fact, all of them will be paid off by or before my birthday, which is in May, if I continue to pay the minimum payment. Then, so 5, track my spending and stick to my no spend goals. I have been doing amazing so far with that. I know in my last video, I said that I would record the next video, me tracking my spending, but I said, no, let me let them know what my 2022 goals is. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Also want to start a new savings challenge because currently I believe I'm doing 3 or either 4 savings challenges that I created myself. They are available in my 7 is to build my emergency fund and my holiday sinking fund. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Well, hey. Okay. Next, increase Etsy sales. Oh, increase Etsy shop sales. Is quick little promo. I make custom for y'all. I will be adding some cash envelopes. I'm thinking about doing that rainbow themed cash envelopes that I was talking about in my last video. I had showed 3 of the colors that I plan to continue to fund my personal savings. And then I also want to either start a business emergency fund or a business savings account. I don't know which one yet, but I know that that's what I want to do. So I hope you guys liked the video. I hope I did a good job telling y'all what my goals are. And I wanted to do so many more, but I don't want to give myself too much to do. I want the goals to be attainable, and I want to be able every month, every week, to be able to do sub goals to move and manifest to the actual goal. So I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for all of the support lately. Check out my description below on ways to stay connected with me. My link tree will be below. My Etsy shop's there. All my Instagrams. I do have to add my nail, my fairly new press-on nail Instagram to my link tree. But by the time this video goes up, it will be posted. I love you guys. Love, peace, and hair grease, okay? Until next time, stay beautiful, y'all.